Stop right there. The secret to landing your dream job in Thailand in 2026 that 90% of people still don't know. If you don't watch this, you might miss out forever. I'll show you step by step how to get high-paying jobs and work legally in Thailand. Watch till the end. And if you want more insider secrets and tips like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Stop scrolling right now, because what I'm about to share could completely change your future. Imagine landing your dream job in Thailand faster than you ever thought possible, earning good money, living in a beautiful country, and building a life that most people only dream about. Sounds unreal? That's exactly what I thought too, until it actually happened to me. If you want to discover how you can legally work in Thailand, secure high-paying opportunities, and avoid the common mistakes that destroy most people's chances, then make sure you subscribe right now and turn on the bell icon. Because on this channel, I share real, practical strategies that can help you work, earn, and succeed abroad. Now let me tell you exactly how my journey started. At the beginning of 2026, I was stuck. I had big dreams but no clear direction. Like many people, I spent hours scrolling through job posts, watching videos, and reading blogs about working abroad. Thailand kept showing up everywhere. Beautiful lifestyle, growing economy, and opportunities for foreigners. But at the same time, I kept hearing things like, it's hard to get a work visa, or you need connections, or only certain people get hired. That fear almost stopped me, but instead of giving up, I decided to do something different. I stopped listening to random opinions and started focusing on facts. I researched deeply, visa requirements, job sectors, hiring trends, and real stories of foreigners who actually made it. And here's the first big truth I discovered. Thailand is not impossible, it's just misunderstood. Most people fail not because it's difficult, but because they don't follow the right process. Once I understood that, everything started changing. The first step was understanding the Thailand work visa system. In 2026, the most common visa for foreign workers is the non-immigrant B visa. This is the key that unlocks everything. Without this, you cannot legally work in Thailand. But here's where most people go wrong. They try to apply blindly without having a job offer first. That's a huge mistake. In reality, the fastest and safest way to get a Thailand work visa is by securing a job offer before applying. This changes everything, because your employer will support your visa process, making it smoother and faster. So I shifted my strategy completely. Instead of focusing on visas first, I focused on getting hired. And this was the game changer. I started by identifying the industries in Thailand that actively hire foreigners. These included teaching English, hospitality, IT, digital marketing, customer support, and international business roles. But I didn't apply randomly, I customized my approach. For every job I applied to, I made sure my CV matched exactly what the employer was looking for. I highlighted relevant skills, added clear achievements, and made my profile stand out. And here's something most people ignore. Your CV is not just a document, it's your first impression. If it's weak, you lose before you even start. So I invested time into making it perfect. Then came the next step, where to apply. Instead of relying on just one platform, I used multiple sources. Job portals, company websites, LinkedIn, and even Facebook groups where Thai employers post opportunities. This increased my chances massively. Within days, I started getting responses. Not all were positive, but that didn't matter. Because every rejection taught me something, and slowly I improved. Then one day, I got an email. It was from a company in Bangkok. They were impressed with my profile and wanted to schedule an interview. That moment felt unreal, but I knew this was just the beginning. The interview process was simple, but strategic. They didn't just test my skills, they wanted to see my attitude, communication, and willingness to adapt. And this is something you must understand. Employers in Thailand value attitude just as much as qualifications. If you show confidence, respect, and a positive mindset, you already have an advantage. I prepared carefully. I researched the company, practiced common interview questions, and made sure I could clearly explain why I wanted to work in Thailand. When the interview day came, I stayed calm and focused, and I gave it my best. A few days later, I got the message. You're hired. That moment changed everything. But here's where the real process begins. Once you get the job offer, your employer will guide you through the visa process. They will provide important documents like your job contract, company registration papers, and other required paperwork. You will then apply for the non-immigrant B visa from your home country or a nearby Thai embassy. This step is critical because accuracy matters. Even a small mistake in documents can cause delays, so I double-checked everything. I made sure my passport was valid, my forms were complete, and all documents were properly prepared. And because I had employer support, the process became much easier. Within a short time, my visa was approved. Yes, it was that fast. And just like that, my dream started becoming reality. But let me be honest with you. This journey was not just about luck. It was about strategy, patience, and taking the right steps. Most people fail because they rush, skip research, or follow wrong advice. But if you follow a clear path, your chances increase massively. And that's exactly what I want for you. Because if I can do it, you can too. Thailand is full of opportunities, but only for those who are prepared. In part 2, I'll reveal something even more powerful. I'll show you the highest paying jobs for foreigners in Thailand, real salary ranges in 2026, and insider tips that can help you earn more than average. So don't miss that. And if you're serious about working in Thailand, starting a new life, and building your future, make sure you subscribe and stay connected, because this journey might just be the one that changes your life forever.